The Otay Water District is committed to providing exceptional service to its customers. This includes investing in how it reads its water meters and bills its customers. The district is embarking on an exciting new project to upgrade its metering technology, which will enhance customer service and provide customers with better ways to manage their water use, all while improving operational efficiency and environmental stewardship by helping reduce water consumption, decreasing the district's carbon footprint, and increasing sustainable business practices. This project will modernize the water meters in the district's service area with new advanced metering technology. This simple process will make a big difference in the way customers manage bills. It will also improve how they are notified about potential leaks on their property. By working hard to implement this upgrade, the district hopes to make life a little easier for its customers. Getting this project underway is an exciting step, but replacing every meter in the district's system will take time. Installations will typically take place Monday through Friday during regular business hours over the next few years. The district is partnering with Professional Meters Incorporated, PMI, to upgrade the meters. Customers will receive a postcard notice a few weeks before work starts in their neighborhood. Customers do not need to schedule an appointment or even be home for the installation. They will just need to make sure that access to their water meter is safe and clear, and that pets are secured. Because quality of life is a top priority, the district will minimize the disruption to each customer's water service. The entire installation process should take an average of 30 minutes. The PMI technician will wear proper identification with the PMI logo and appropriate safety gear. The process will start with the technician taking photos of the water meter area to document its condition. These photos ensure that the property is left in the same condition after installation as it was before installation. After the pictures are taken, the current meter will be replaced with the new meter. Water service will be restored as soon as the upgrade is complete, and when necessary, the installer will use an exterior hose spigot to release any air bubbles trapped in the line. After the installation process, the technician will leave a door hanger to confirm that the upgrade was successful. If, for some reason, the technician cannot perform the upgrade, they will leave a door hanger detailing what steps are needed to successfully install the new meter. There is a lot to look forward to, and it all starts with a new meter. It will give customers a more detailed view of their water use, allowing them to know how much water they use and when. It can even help identify a water leak. The district will also upgrade its online customer portal to allow customers with the new meter to begin tracking their water use online. Throughout the implementation of the upgrade project, the district will continue to ensure safe, reliable water service and keep customers informed as the project progresses. For more information, please visit otaywater.gov/AMI. The Otay Water District looks forward to providing its customers with the best service possible.